In April 2026, security researchers disclosed CVE 2026-3623. This was an architectural flaw in the Model Context Protocol, the standard software framework used to let AI assistants communicate with external data. This design flaw permitted silent, arbitrary code execution across major AI environments. This single disclosure exposed up to 200,000 active servers and impacted over 150 million downloads. Attackers achieved full system compromise without triggering a single sanitization warning. Modern technical workflows are shifting from passive text generation to the active deployment of agentic AI. This diagram illustrates the traditional setup. A standard chatbot processes text and returns a static summary in strict isolation. Agentic AI is different. It's given tools. It actively connects to your email, searches databases, and executes terminal commands on your behalf. Equipping these models with read and write privileges turns a safe text generator into a direct, programmable vector for total network compromise. A persistent misconception among developers is that prompt injections are largely academic, controlled red team exercises where researchers trick a bot into ignoring instructions, resulting in no actual damage. Telemetry analyzed by Google Threat Intelligence and Forcepoint in April 2026 proves this is an active enterprise threat. Financially motivated criminals dominate the malicious traffic targeting AI systems. This chart compares theoretical exploit testing against actual financially motivated attacks. Law enforcement reports AI-augmented operations are linked to over 100 million euros in losses. Attackers embed PayPal payloads into data streams. The AI intercepts the transaction, routing funds directly to an attacker-controlled account. Granting an AI direct execution rights over corporate infrastructure renders standard content moderation filters irrelevant. The primary attack vector is indirect prompt injection. This is the act of hiding malicious instructions in plain sight, such as invisible text on a web page, that override the agent's core task the moment it reads the data. We saw this execute at scale with the Echolleak vulnerability, tracked as CVE 2025-32711, which struck enterprise Microsoft 365 Copilot systems. Here is how that attack initiates. A seemingly legitimate email enters the environment. Encoded into its meta tags are hidden malicious command strings. As soon as the Copilot node parses the email, it reads those instructions. It immediately executes the command, establishing an outward pathway to route confidential data to an external server. Notice the user never clicks a link. This is zero-click data exfiltration, triggered solely because the AI read its own mail. Attackers apply this logic to developer environments using a secondary vector, tool call hijacking via pull requests. By hiding instructions inside a GitHub pull request title, attackers forced enterprise instances of GitHub Copilot, Claude Code, and the Gemini CLI to parse the text and immediately leak their own internal API keys. Because agents blindly execute these hidden instructions, the concept of passive data is dead. Every piece of external web text must be treated as hostile executable code. Beyond the data agents consume, the actual open-source tools engineers install to grant those capabilities are under active assault. The Claw Havoc campaign demonstrated the mechanics of a mass supply chain attack on AI marketplaces. Attackers successfully uploaded over 1,100 malicious Model Context Protocol tools to popular developer hubs, creating a widespread network of infected assets. When engineers install these poison tools to help an agent manage files or write code, the attacker automatically inherits whatever system privileges that agent holds. Through inherited access, enterprise AI agents are silently converted into malware, scraping and exporting proprietary data. The current open-source ecosystem for agentic AI plugins is an unverified, highly toxic attack surface. While external tools are immediate threats, attackers are also compromising the agent's long-term memory systems, specifically Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. In April 2026, maintainers of Spring AI disclosed multiple vulnerabilities targeting enterprise vector stores. In this 3D vector space, data embeddings represent your knowledge base. Attackers use document ID and filter expression injections to plant corrupted, malicious records alongside legitimate corporate data. When an employee asks the AI a question, the system runs a retrieval task. The agent's context window pulls those corrupted embeddings out of the vector space and feeds them straight into the central reasoning engine. This creates a sleeper agent effect. The malicious instruction lies dormant in your database for weeks, only executing when an employee issues a highly specific query that triggers the corrupted memory. Attackers are altering the agent's reality from the ground up. Poisoning the root knowledge base renders post-retrieval safety filters entirely obsolete. To secure these systems, developers must operate under a new engineering axiom: architect your infrastructure assuming the agent will eventually ingest compromised data. Layer 1 of the defensive blueprint enforces strict structural boundaries between passive data and executable instructions. This requires semantic firewalls. A secondary model must analyze, classify, and strip hidden text, quarantining prompt injection patterns before they reach the context window. This diagram represents a zero-trust agent stack. Moving outward to Layer 2, organizations must mandate that all third-party AI tools and servers are cryptographically signed to prove their origin. Those signed tools must execute exclusively inside strict, stateless containers. Running external plugins in isolated environments neutralizes supply chain threats like Claw Havoc by physically preventing unauthorized network access. At Layer 3, input validation must be pushed down to the retrieval layer. An active filter grid analyzes all document ID inputs, blocking corrupted vectors from rising out of the store and infecting the agent. Defending against Agent the tech stack. Relying on a system prompt to instruct the AI to be safe is insufficient. The fourth layer replaces static default permissions with just-in-time capability-based access control. Under this model, an agent assigned to schedule a meeting receives write access strictly to the Calendar API and nothing else. That access must be temporary, automatically revoked when the task completes, and specifically prohibit any crossover access to corporate databases or file systems. For high-risk actions, particularly financial payments, system configuration changes, or file deletions, human-in-the-loop gates are an absolute requirement before execution. While agentic AI scales operational capabilities exponentially, it inherently scales infrastructure risk at the same rate. Adopting this zero-trust stack is the non-negotiable prerequisite for deploying autonomous systems in an enterprise environment. If you found this valuable, please hit that like button, share it, and subscribe to KYC AI Labs for more science behind the AI headlines. The deployment of autonomous agents necessitates a pivot in security logic. Defense now relies on strictly restricting the potential operational damage an agent can inflict once a compromise inevitably occurs.